something quick that you want to make at home and something wholesome, definitely it's nothing but dal. And today's recipe is a perfectly beautiful and wholesome dish. It's Dal Tadka, which you can enjoy either with some nice rice or with chapati. So let's get started and check out the recipe. Quarter cup of Toor Dal and quarter cup of Masoor Dal. Wash the dal and next I'm going to pressure cook it. I've washed the dal, now add it into the pressure cooker. Pour enough water till the dal is completely immersed in the water. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Pressure cook for about 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. Take a kadai, add about 2 teaspoons of ghee, about 2 teaspoons of oil. To this add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next add 2 red chillies, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic. Add 1 large green chilli finely chopped, 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. Next add 2 small tomatoes finely chopped. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon Coriander Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder. Mix everything. Saute till the tomatoes are cooked and they're nice and mushy. The tomatoes are cooked, the oil is separated. Now I'm going to add the cooked dal. To this add 1 cup of water. If the dal is too thick, you can add a little more water to dilute it. Let the dal simmer on low flame for about 10 minutes. The dal has been simmering for about 10 minutes now. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. Add some crushed Kasuri Methi. Keep the dal aside. Now I'm going to temper a few ingredients to pour it into the dal. For this take 3 teaspoons of ghee. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Next add 2 red chillies. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Red Chilli Powder. Turn off the stove and finally add some curry leaves. Here is this absolutely delicious dal tadka that you can make anytime and you can make it in minutes. And this can be enjoyed with some nice steamed rice or with some nice chapati or roti by the side. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on